Hey guys, it's Thursday and I have not been vlogging all week because we have been so busy in the theater that there's been like no time to take footage of backstage and craziness. It is time for our dress rehearsal. I am waiting for my Uber right now. It's super expensive because it's raining, which I'm really upset about, but it's fine. It's fine, we're gonna be fine. So come with me to the theater for dress rehearsal day. So here's our dressing room, and here are all of our costumes. We've got a lot going on. So here's me. So I've got this awesome swimsuit, and then I've got this big cupcake dress, and also a hoop skirt to wear underneath it to make it especially voluminous. And it looks like they've removed, or maybe are ironing or steaming, another one of our costumes. We have like a Greek type dress, so maybe that one's, I guess wardrobe will return it. So I've got some shoes and stuff up there as well. So this is the scene. This is the entire scene. Fun. I'm sharing this with 3 other girls. We don't all fit in here wearing these dresses at all. So I did my makeup at home because I didn't want to be sitting here and doing it here. But it's almost time to go upstairs for a quick rehearsal for some dance moves. And then it's time for my wig call at like 2:25, I think. And then I'll go ahead and get dressed for our downbeat at 3. Here is costume number 2. Some of you may recognize this from the last show. All right, that's our call. We got to go back upstairs. All right, we are halfway done, Act 2, and everyone's singing. And I brought a prop down here by accident. So I'm just gonna take this back upstairs and get ready for the next scene. If you're curious to know, I can't use the bathroom with this on, or at least I haven't tried. So that's gonna be an interesting experiment when I try it. I think this is some dust on the lens. So far the dress rehearsal is going pretty well, and I can't wait till we open tomorrow. I've got people coming to the shows, which is really great. And I'm very excited because the show is really, really funny, and we get to be kind of goofy on stage, and that's always really fun. Oh my gosh, can you hear them? They're so loud. I think tomorrow during the performance I'm actually going to wear like false lashes, so I won't have to do that. But I have not made a video in over a week, and I feel really bad about it. But Tech Week is just really crazy. They kind of lock us in this theater. Every time I come down here to like take a break, I have to change costumes, and that always takes at least 10 minutes. So I don't really get much of a break, so that's kind of fun. But I will see you guys later. Good afternoon. It is the day of the show, y'all. So if you guys are wondering what I do on opening night of shows or opening day of shows, the answer is not much. I kind of just reserve my energy for the performance, since that tends to take sort of a lot out of you. So I just chill. I actually went for a blood test this morning because I have a follow-up appointment on next week for my like iron thing. It's fine. They're just doing a checkup. And I took over for a nice walk to get his medications. We went out for like a nice 3-mile walk, and we played some ball, so he's really tired. So tonight I can leave him home alone, and it's not going to be a big deal.
Right, sir? Right? You are very sleep-tastic, sleepy.
Anyway, so I'm fresh-faced. I've got this like hair situation because I'm wigging it out, so I don't need to style the hair. And I'm going to put makeup on before I leave for the theater. I just don't. The dressing room is so cramped that if I sat there and did the makeup there, I think that it'd be a thing. So I just don't want to do my makeup there, so I'm going to do it here at home and take some things just in case I need to modify a little bit, like lip product, powder, stuff like that. And then they're going to wig me, so I don't have to worry about this. And I'm already wearing my like costume undergarments, which you can't see, but I've had to like wash a bra like 4 times because I only have like one reliable strapless bra, but it also has straps. So I'm strapped now, and then I'll unstrap when I put my costume on. I don't know if this is too much information or not, but like the house is in a little bit of a state. I got stuff that from my bag over there. I got like laundry that I'm doing over there, and the bed is unmade and all kinds of stuff. I got a muffin that I got from a cafe. So I've been okay. Here's really what I've been doing all day. Is I have been watching YouTube videos that describe how the Chernobyl RBMK reactor actually exploded. Because I haven't told you guys, but if you haven't watched Chernobyl on HBO, or I guess Sky if you live in Great Britain, turn off this video and watch it right now. Because it is the best thing on television. It saved HBO from the demise it was undergoing because of Game of Thrones. Very bitter about that. Not going to talk about it. But it's a 5-part miniseries docudrama about the nuclear accident at Chernobyl in Ukraine, and it's a masterpiece. It's a masterpiece. It's great storytelling. It's fantastically accurate. The one thing I was blown away from when I did research on the series, I'm like, did that really happen? And the answer is yes. Unfortunately, yes. Like, I think most of it's true, and then parts of it are dramatized. Like, there's a character who's like a composite character that represents like all the scientists around who helped with the thing. But it is realistic that she was a woman, because there are more women doctors and apparently scientists in Ukraine at that time than there were in the United States. So interesting. They were kind of progressive in that aspect. But anyway, so I have been watching videos all day describing the lead up to the events of the accident at Chernobyl, because I wanted to know exactly, like down to the atom, like what is happening, like what the graphite tips. If you haven't watched it, you have no idea what I'm talking about. But these graphite tips are not actually tips. They're like 4.5 like not yard, but maybe like meter, like parts of the rod, control rod. Anyway, I'm not going to bore you with the details, but I'm fascinated. I'm obsessed. Go watch it if you haven't, and then listen to the corresponding podcast available on iTunes. This is not sponsored. It sounds like it is, but I just loved it. I've watched it twice already. I'm obsessed. It's very good. Good job, HBO. So I'm just going to get cleaned up here. I'm going to leave what's on my face? I've got to leave by like 5:45-ish, because our call is at 6:30. So I'll probably leave about 5:30. I'll feed the little guy super early today, and he'll be here hanging out till 10. Very sad. Maybe even 10:30. I don't know. Maybe I'll have somebody check up on him if they can. But I'm gonna clean up some stuff, and I think I'm gonna just like spruce up the bathroom cabinet a little, because I haven't decluttered in there in a while. Hello. Oh, one more thing about Chernobyl that is the best is that a lot of the lines from the series are completely memeable and have ended up all over these, like in the comment sections of these like Chernobyl videos, like 3.6 around to good. Not great, but not terrible. It's hilarious, and I'm living for it. But buddy, no way. Are you serious? No way. All right, the bed is made. I feel better about the state of the apartment. Now I can, this is like all the stuff that usually comes with me to the theaters. This is my little makeup bag with all my backup stuff. I got some shapewear. These are like, they go up to like they go up all the way to the breast area, like to my bra area. Just so, okay, because to shape it up a little bit, because let's be honest, we're not the same as we used to be at age 20. And so they can fit into my dress. And third, so I'm not totally naked backstage when I'm doing the quick change. I mean, I don't really care, because, I mean, everyone's seen each other, but, like, you know, if there's, like, a little chance for me to be covered, like, a little bit more, I'll take it. So, like, I don't care who sees my bra. I just don't want everybody to see my, like, whole, like, midsection, like, muffin top action. I know you guys were like, oh my God, you don't have anything. Listen, we're all insecure, okay? We're all insecure. So that's the stuff I usually pack to go to the theater. And I'm going to do the bathroom, but now, first, well, while I do that, it's time for coffee number 3, because, by the way, I have an Origins cup because I used to work at Origins, and this is like some swag they gave me at a conference. I like their products. Yeah. A lot of people are like, oh my gosh, you're a singer, you shouldn't have coffee before you perform. And it's individual. I have a really good friend. She lives in Berlin now, and she's singing, and we love a good coffee before a concert or a performance because it just energizes us. So it doesn't dehydrate as much as it energizes, I guess, but as long as you like keep up with the water flow, it's all right. I like a good coffee before a performance. Maybe I've had too many today. It's fine. I'll burn out at like 1 a.m., but by the time that show will be over, it's fine. So now it's about 4:20, so I might play a little bit with Clover, and then I'm gonna get ready to go. Maybe I'll put my makeup on. Maybe that's a good idea. All right, we are just in the middle of the first act, and this is the other costume. I think you guys have seen this before because I wore it in at least 2 other shows. So it's making a comeback, and my eyelashes didn't fall off, so that's always a good thing. But we're having a good night. So on the second day of wearing our costumes, I noticed that the lace that they've sewed on here says, "Have a nice day." Mr. Goldstein, Mr. Zabraki, Mr. Ranger, and waiters to stay right, please. Hey guys, it's Monday after the opera has closed, and I am very happy to have my life back, sort of. I'm sad that the season is over, but I'm happy to have a little like 3-month break, maybe like 2-month break, and then start up again. I love to take a break during the summer when it comes to singing stuff, but I just wanted to add some stuff to this video. The little guy had a nice walk and played a nice bee in the hall. I can't really say those words. He gets really excited. I also wanted to say that I love, well, I'm giving you a preview. This is the new Brava M6 from iRobot, and it's living next to the Roomba. You're not supposed to put them so close together, but this is the only option I have right here in my house, and they're doing okay. They're able to get in and out just fine without hitting each other and stuff, but I love it. Clean floors. Review coming soon. Oh, and his that's so cute. And I also want to say I have a slight obsession with these pots that I got from Anthropology. The one arrived broken, so there was a red one that went along with this. It wasn't a set, but it was just 3 of them, and I bought all 3. And one came really poorly packed, and it's broken, and I'm really sad because I can't buy a new one because they're all sold out. But at least the orange one and the yellow one came, and I think that they are absolutely adorable. And in this one I put a little ivy, a little English ivy, and in this one has a little freckle face plant, or I guess they also call these polka dot plants. This one has gotten much bigger since I transferred it. I think it got a little too close to the light because the leaves were looking a little dry on the ends, so I put it up here so it just gets some indirect light from that window over there. So I think it's going to do a lot better. I just put that up there today. So, and this, I believe, I don't know what it's called. It's a little like, is this like a little jade plant or money plant? Please tell me in the comments. I don't know what it is. I also don't know what this little succulent is. What happened is this one came in like one of those like succulent pots that had 3 different plants in them. And I removed like 2 of the other plants died, and this one I was the only surviving one, and I put it in its own pot, and it's been doing this craziness. And there's like a little green part in there too. I'm not really sure what the deal is, but if anyone can tell me what this is exactly, I would appreciate that. I would like to propagate it. Yeah, look at how pretty that is. Cute, huh? And I love my little mister. Isn't this cute? I got this from Tags, like it's a hardware store. It looks like it came from Anthropology or something like that. It looks fancy, but this came from the hardware store. It's really cute. Anyway, that's my little plant area. Ba-dum-bum. So I look terrible. I'm taking the day off. I do have a little virtual consult later in the day, but it's only a half hour. So I just want to apologize for the lack of content and I just haven't really had time to do anything with the show. I sometimes don't anticipate how much the opera is going to completely take over my entire life. I love it. It's a labor of love, but it also encompasses so much time when it's tech week. But I'm glad to be back for you guys, and I hope that you'll stay tuned, stay subscribed, and I'll see you guys very soon. You want to say goodbye, Clover? You want to do the outro? All right, say goodbye. See you in the next video. Goodbye. Maybe now I should include sound. You're not in here.
Okay.
It's just
Oh, you
the
want
dressing
boobs
room.
now?
Do you?
Okay.
Oh, you're out of control.
I'm ready.
Are you ready? Are you ready,
I'm looking
Maury?
up.
Are you ready? You're up.
I'm
You
looking
ready?
down.
All right.
I'm looking at you. I'm looking over here.
You're wigged and you're wearing a jumpsuit, which is so. Wait, not jumpsuit. It's a dress. It's very cute. Very cute.
Thank you. Thank you.